MarineMax as a company is the only company I know that encourages sharing my knowledge with others, whether it be customers, team members, and over the years I've enjoyed spending time with a lot of the customers as far as getting to know them as individuals.
We ended up taking a slip here. We've been here now starting our 7th year. We really enjoy the people that we've met here, the staff and the management and the crew at MarineMax. Many of them have become good friends.
I've been with the company for 39 years. They not only care for their clients and customers, but they also care for their team members. It's truly one big family.
I've been with the company for 23 years. Now we've got state-of-the-art shops and a remote control travel lift, a lot of improvements.
I believe what sets MarineMax apart is we employ some of the most skilled and highly trained technicians. It is no secret that family is the most important part of my life. From our women on water classes to our getaway adventures, MarineMax always promotes family time through boating.